For all you young adult women out there, I know this may be hard to hear, but this stuff is real. You should listen to what this man has to say.
To all you young ladies in your 20s, who are single, and waiting on your Prince Charming. Listen to me, because I want you to be happy faster. Lower your expectations. Your father lied to you. You're not a princess.
This is Warfighter 101. Listen and learn, people, because this man looks like an expert.
Cause you know how the war is. You can't just show up over there telling me, where y'all at? Come on out. You got to sneak up over there. Your lieutenant give you little signals and tell you what to do and everything. And I'm on the front line, and I'm looking at my lieutenant. He gonna talk about Williamson going on out there and check out and see what's going on.
Rotted. It looks like this lieutenant never heard that Black Lives Matter.
I'm looking around like I know damn well he ain't talking to me. He gonna look Williamson, go out there and see what's going on. I got real black on him. I'm like, all these folks out here. He gonna pick me, all these folks out here. I just stopped looking. I'm like, he can't say nothing.
Breaking news. Heroic Chinese man saves chicken from savage beast.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Don't mess with the blind guy.
No, 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 no.
He tried it.
When Americans hear gunshots, and when crazy Jamaicans hear gunshots,